Good morning, dear students. Let's start the today's class. Today's our topic is multiples and squares. Multiples and squares. I hope everyone know that what is multiples. We already learned. Multiples mean the answers of that table. If I ask multiple of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this way. Answers of that table. If I ask you multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 like this way. Okay. Now square numbers. The square number is the new topic. We are going to learn what is square number. First of all, look at here. The square number means what? The result of multiplying a whole number by itself. Whole number means what? Without decimal. Without decimal, like 1, 2, 3. These are the whole numbers. If I said that 1.5, this is not a whole number, this is decimal number. So now 1 square, how to pronounce this one? 1 square. What is the meaning of 1 square? That means the same number. What is the definition? The result of multiplying a whole number by itself. So 1 square means 1 multiplied by 1. That means 1 is the whole number multiplied by itself. So 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the square number. Okay, this is the explanation. Like 2 square. 2 square means what? How you pronounce? 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, because whole number multiplied by itself. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 is the square number. 3 square. So 3 3s are 9. 4 square. 4 4s are 16. 5 square. 5 5s are 25. 6 square. 6 6 are 36. 7 square. 7 7s are 49. 8 square. 8 8s are 64. 9 square. 9 9s are 81. 10 square. 10 10s are 100. So you can remember like this way. Okay. So how you remember? 1 square means 1 into 1 is 1. 1 is the square number, 2 2s are 4, 4 is the square number, 3 3s are 9. That means the same number repeated again. 3 3s are 9, 9 is the square number. Don't think that these are the square numbers, this is the answer. So just you can take the answers only. Okay. So how you remember? Just multiply the same number again. Okay, a whole number multiply by itself. Now look at the question here. These patterns of dots show that the first 4 square numbers. So this is called what? We can say that this is 1 square, right? This one we can say that 2 square. I explained today in textbook only because it is easy to understand. That's why I write it in a paper. So this is what? 3 square. 3 square means what? 9 or not? Because look at it, 9 dots. This is 4 square. That means 4 4s are 16. Now this one he asked you to draw one more pattern. So what is the pattern next one? 5 square or not? So 5 square means 25. Look at it, 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 rows. So 5 5s are 25 squares. Okay, this is the square numbers. Now look at these are the numbers. He said that what is multiple of 6? Multiple means what? In a 6 table. So we will check one number. Okay, so 14 is not a square number. 14 is in 7 table, so I wrote it here 7 table. Okay, multiple of 7. If you look at the 9 is a square number because 3 3s are 9. 3 square, 3 3s are 9 is the square number. 24 is in the 6 table only, so 6 4s are 24. Next 35 is in the 7 table. Okay, next 64 is a square number. 64 is a square number. Why? Because 8 8s are 64. Okay, the whole number multiply by itself. 8 8s are 64. Next 100 also is square number because 10 into 10 is 100. So 100 is a square number. 30 is in the 6 table. 30 is in the 6 table. Look at 7 is in the 7 table, multiple of 7. 16 is in the square number. Okay, why? Because 4 square. 4 4s are 16. Next 90 is in the 6 table. 21 is in the 7 table. Okay, multiple of 7. 25 is a square number. 25 is a square number. 36 a square number, also in 6 table, right? And because in a 6 table 6 6 are 36, that means multiple of 6, also it is a square number. Okay, 6 6 are. So how you remember the square number? Simply 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16, 5 into 5 is 25, 6 into 6 is 36, 7 into 7 is 49, 8 into 8 is 64, 9 into 9 is 81, 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, now look at the next question. What is the next question? Copy the sorting diagram, write a number between 50 and 100 in each page. So square numbers, what are the numbers between 50 and 100? What are the square numbers between 50 and 100? Look at here. Here 6 6 are 36. This is less than 50. 7 7 are 49. This is also less than 50. 8 is a 64. So 64 is more than 50 but less than 100. 81 is more than 50 but less than 100. So square numbers between 50 and 100 are 64 and 81 only. That means only two numbers. He asks you to write it between 50 and 100. He does not ask you to write it up to 100. He asks you between 50 and 100. Only two square numbers are there. So here square number, even number. So square number, even number is what? 64 is the even number. Why? Because in ones place is 4. 4 is in the 2 table. That is even number. It is not an even number. Not an even number means odd number. So what is the odd number? 81 is the odd number. 81 is the odd number. Now we ask you not a square number and even number. So after 50 is what? 51. But 51 is the odd number. So 52, 54, 56, 58 up to 98. Up to 98. Because before less than 100 you have to write it. Right? No, any number you can possible. No need to write it all the numbers. I will write it here all number for your understanding. 52, 54 all are even numbers, 98 except 64. Why? Because 64 is a square number. I already wrote it here. So next is what? Not a square number but is odd number. So 50 after 50 is 51. 51 is the odd number because in ones place is 1. What are the odd numbers? Which number is not divisible by 2? Which number is not in table 2? So only check the ones place. If it is ones place, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If these numbers are there, that is called odd number. If ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are called even numbers. So 51, 53 up to 99 but except 81 because 81 is the square number. Okay. Now look at this question. What is the question? Use the digits 1 to 5, 7 to compare the statements. You can use each digit as many times as you like. Now here is a multiple of 3. So what is the multiple of 3? So you can write it multiple of 3 means 12 also you can write it, 15 also you can write it, 27 also write it, your choice. So I write it here 15. Multiple of 3. Next multiple of 9 is what? 21, not in multiple of it's 9. 52 not in multiple of, just take it 27. 27 is multiple of 9. It is also possible multiple of 3. Now square number. So what are the square numbers here possible? So square number is 1, 2. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, like this way, right? So what is the square number? The square number is 25. Square number is 25. Okay, this is the example question you have to look at here. This sequence shows multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9. So 172 be in the sequence or not? How you check it? When you divide 172, if you look at this sequence is 3 3 increase. So 3 table. When you divide, if the remainder is not 0, that number is not in the sequence. If the remainder is 0, then that number is in the sequence. Okay. So similarly you have to do it. Question number 5 is the homework for you. This is the multiple of 4. Just check it. 114 divided by 4. If the remainder is 0, that number is in the sequence. If the remainder is not 0, that number not in the sequence. Simply. Otherwise you have to check it 114 up to 114, 20, 24, 28. It's very big. So it's too much time taking. Okay. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more question, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.